Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a sweet tooth craving that I have. These are so amazing. They are done in the air fryer. All you need is 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of butter, and a roll of croissants, and about 1/3 of a cup of pecan. So let's melt the butter. After you melt the butter, it is time for you to chop up your pecans. If you don't have them already chopped, put your sugars in your bowl. After you do that, I'm going to add my cinnamon to my butter. It makes it so much easier, and make sure it gets mixed very well in the mixture that's going to go onto the crescent rolls. Then you want to mix that up really well with a fork or a whisk, whatever you decide. Make sure you get the size of the bowl, guys, and then set that to the side. Next, it's time to open up these croissants. Do these things scare you? You need a little flour. Put it on your counter or your surface area so they do not stick. Make sure you let your croissants sit out for a couple hours so they're soft and more pliable. If they're cold, I promise you're going to have problems. You want to squeeze all of the edges that are perforated together like that. All right, then the next thing you want to do is fold it in half, and then after you fold it in half, put you a little bit of flour on your rolling pin and roll it out really well. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, just enough to make sure that the stuff doesn't seep through. Now it's time to put the goodness on there, and just take you a nice butter knife or spoon, whatever you have, and make sure you leave like a good inch on one end, because that's the end that you're going to roll the dough to, and close it up. Now we put our pecans on. Take some water, wet the sides of the dough, and then it's time to rock and tootsie roll. No, just roll the dough, guys. Just roll the dough. We're gonna roll this up like so. Then when you roll it up, you're gonna cut it in half again. And then you're gonna have 8 parts. You're gonna take it, put it in your air fryer. Put it in the air fryer on 350 for about 6 or 7 minutes. They don't take long. It depends on your air fryer. They look like that in about 2 minutes, and then they are done in about 7 minutes, 6-7 minutes. You know they're done when they're golden. Now it is time to put these on a cooling rack, and then we are going to get into the next step, the goodness, the tasty part of it. It is making the actual icing for the cinnamon rolls. You're gonna need the vanilla, lemon juice, and the almond milk, which is only a tablespoon, a cup of powdered sugar, and you're going to blend that very well. That lemon juice is to give it that cream cheese taste. I promise you're going to love it. Then all you do is spread it, guys. Just that simple, just that quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, thumbs up the video, share the video, join my family by subscribing, and check me out on all social media at How to DIY and Save a Dime. Later, gators.